Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. The bridge being repaired after the storm. A. Is B. Are C. Were. By next Friday, she finished the novel. A has B, will have C, had. At this time yesterday, they dinnered together. A, were having, B, have had, C, are having. The invitation sent out last week. A was B, were C, is. She practicing the piano for 3 hours. A has been, B had C, will. You be careful when crossing the street. A must be, may see, could. We leave before sunrise tomorrow. A will be, might see, can. I help you if you need it. A shall be, may, see, must. Passengers not open the emergency door. A must be, may, see, could. He arrived late because of traffic. A might be, shall see, must. This road is crowded than the other one. A, more be, most see, very. She is the student in the class. A, brighter, B, brightest, C, more bright. He works harder than his colleagues. A, much B, most C, very. The cake smells A, wonderful B, wonderfully C, more wonderful. She speaks English than her friend. A, better, B, best, C, more good. Dash of these pens belongs to Sarah. A, whose B, which C, who. The choice is yours. Not a mine. Be my see me. This gift is for Peter and A. I be me, see mine. To did you give the keys? A. Whom be, who, see, whose. Dash, knocking at the door? A. Who be, whose, see, which. She stayed inside, it was too cold. A. Because B, but C, so. He was tired, he kept working. A, but B, or C, so. You can drink water juice. A, nor B, or C, and dash, he studied hard. He failed the test. A, although B, because C. C'est fils. Wait here, I return. A until B, unless C, although. Not only the teacher, also, the students agreed. A and B, but C, or. Both my parents, my grandparents attended the ceremony. A and B, nor C, or. Neither the phone, the laptop is working. A or B, nor C, and. She will succeed. She works hard. A, if B, although C, unless. He stayed calm. Everyone was panicking. A, while B, if C, since. The files uploaded to the system yesterday. A where B was C are. She preparing for her exams all week. A has been B, had C is. The car being washed when I arrived. A was B, where C has. They waiting outside for an hour. A have been, B was C, had. The decision announced tomorrow. A, will be B, was C, has. The man coat was stolen, reported it to the police. A, who's B, who C, whom. This is the place I met her. A, where B, who C, whom. The woman to you spoke is my aunt. A, whom B, who C, whose. The reason he left early is unknown. A, why, B, when C, which. The movie was very funny, lasted 2 hours. A, which, B, who C, whose. Dash, you ready for the trip? Asked John. A, are B, is C, was. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. A, he said, we are late. B, he said, we are late. C, he said, we are late. Which is correct? A, the dog's tail is wagging. B, the dog's tail is wagging. C, the dog's tail is wagging. A group of words without a subject and verb is A, phrase, B, clause, C, sentence. Because she was tired is A, sentence, B, fragment, C, clause. He likes apples. He likes bananas too. Is A, run-on sentence, B, complete sentence, C, phrase. Which is a complete sentence? A, since late. B, he arrived late. C, because late. Walking through the park is a phrase. I will go if it doesn't rain contains a dependent clause, B, fragment, C, phrase. $20 enough to buy the book. A is B, are C, were. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.